Thank you for staying with Republic, and we continue to get you all the latest as far as protests due to the fuel price hike that are being staged in several parts of the country. Pictures coming in from New Delhi, Patna and Bengaluru. It is the 23rd consecutive day when rise in prices of both petrol and diesel is being witnessed, and Congress is now stepping up the attack against the centre owing to the fuel price hike. Former Karnataka Chief Minister, who is now leading a cycle rally in Bengaluru as he continues to stage protests. Similar scenes coming in from Patna and New Delhi. Several DPCC workers who were also detained by the cops. Given the COVID situation, such congregation that has not been given permission, they are not allowed to assemble like this. My colleagues Anuj Sagairaj continue to bring us all the latest and how the police is now trying to contain the situation. Remember, it is not just today. These protests that are being staged since several days now, and Congress in particular stepping up the attack. Anuj continues to stay live with us. He's joining us from Civil Lines. And Anuj, talking about how those DPCC workers were detained by the cops. Obviously, they were not allowed to assemble owing to the rising number of cases due to COVID in the national capital. But it is not just the national capital. Congress is really stepping up the attack in several parts of the country, and which is why we are witnessing many of these protests.
Well, actually, and let me give you the sense from Civil Lines again. As we were reporting earlier also, that many of them has been already detained. And let me give you the sense from there also. The police forces is now arriving at this point also. And there you can see, this is that's a DPCC chief who is sitting on the buggy over here. And that's the kind of a protest they are doing. They are having the placards in their hand. And I'll go through the placard also. दूसरी तरफ नरेंद्र अरविंद सरकार these kind of things written ने किया गरीबों की जेब पे attack. So ये चीजें these are the things which is coming in, like what we are seeing from the ground level, that this is the kind of the protest against the Modi government and against the Delhi government. So they are coming on the this buggy with the horses, and now this is the kind of protest they are showing, that they are not able to use the petrol and the diesel. So महंगा diesel, महंगा तेल, Modi Kejriwal का खेल. So that's something what we are understanding on the placard, and there it is written: petrol rupees 80.38, diesel rupees 80.40. So that's something what we are understanding from the national capital, as they are not allowed to do any kind of protest. And they were already, like many of their fellow colleagues, like if you talk about the other DPCC member, was already detained by the Delhi police. And there you can clearly see police is again trying to control the situation. Many of the people has already arrived. There the more forces are arriving, and the kind of traffic also we are witnessing at this point in time. And there you can see the media bite is like the DPCC chief is giving at this point in time, and there they are having the placards in their hand. But the kind of thing, the kind of message which is very much clear, that they themselves also need to maintain the social distancing. That has been not maintained. They have to use the mask, but the mask is not on their nose. So that's something what we understand. That's the police is trying to control the situation. Back to you in the studio with more continuous visuals from the ground level.